The following equation represent the cracking of hydrocarbon at high temperature and pressure. So we are having a cracking la into ezokwenzeka, we are breaking large hydrocarbon molecule into smaller, more useful molecules. So fanele si-draw structural formula sa-compound Y. So fanele siqale sithole ukuthi u-compound Y uno-carbon abangaki futhi uno-hydrogen abangaki. Masi-check-a ngapha, o-carbon bethu bawu-11 kwa-left. Masi-check-a kwa-right, 2 times 2 sina-4 plus 4 futhi o-carbon ngapha bawu-8. Inamba yo-carbon bakwa-left nabakwa-right fanele babhalanse. Ngapha bawu-11, ngapha bawu-8. So kushuthi o-carbon bethu abashodayo ukuze sifike ku-11, ngathi 11 minus 8 kuzoba u-3. 11 minus 8 u-3. So o-carbon bethu bawu-3. Bese ubala o-hydrogen bangaki? O-hydrogen bawu-24. Ngapha kwa-right bangaki? Kuzoba yilo 2 times loya 4. Kuzoba na-8 plus loya 10. So o-hydrogen bawu-18. So uma bewu-18 ngapha kufanele balingane abangapha bawu-24 ngapha. Kushuthi kwa-right kushoda o-hydrogen abangaki? Kuzoba u-24 minus 18. Kushuthi kushoda 6 yo-hydrogen. So compound Y, this is the molecular formula of a compound Y. Kodwa bafunanga molecular formula, bafuna structural formula. So sizokwenza kanje. Bathe 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sebephelele o-hydrogen. So o-hydrogen bayashoda la, okusho ukuthi ikhonto ekhona between C1 and C2. Kushuthi la sinani? Sine-double bond. Sine-double bond between carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. Okay, this is a structural formula ebebesifunda. Ake sibuke-ke la ngezansi. Okay, but the flow diagram below shows the preparation of different organic compounds using compound P, which has a general formula of CnH2n plus 2. Okay, sebesitshenile ukuthi le inakhuzana i-alkane. Basitshenile i-alkane inale general formula. Futhi sibona ngani ukuthi la kufanele kube khona alkane? Ingoba ba-ede u-Cl2 and uyedwa u-Cl2 ongene kulesi structure. Ukhumbule uma ngabe bekade kuyi-double bond la, ke ngenza example nje. Esine-double bond bese si-add u-Cl2. Uma kuyi-addition u-add-a konke awushiyi lutho. U-add everything awushiyi lutho. O-Cl bebezongena bobabili if bekune-double bond. So uma sekukanje sekuyi-alkane. Uma u-add-a u-Cl2 uthi plus Cl2 kuzongena oyedwa u-Cl2 ngeke bangene bobabili. So in case bebengasitshenanga ukuthi i-general formula yalaphaya u-CnH2n C plus 2 yes. So if bekuyi-alkane, njengoba kuyi-alkane nje, uma u-add u-Cl2 kufanele u-add oyedwa kuzoba i-substitution. Nalana-ke ba-add-ile oyedwa kulesa structure esingasazi okusho ukuthi bekuyini leya bekuyi-alkane. Ngezinye indlela ebesingabona ngazo if bebengasitshenanga nge-general formula ukuthi la i-alkane le shuthi kufanele kwenzakale ini? Kwenzakale substitution reaction. What kind of substitution? Izoba i-halogenation ngoba sifake i-halogen. Okay. So into okufanele uyenze nala kufanele usidraw lesi structure lesi esiphakathi nendawo. Wenze nje i-analysis ngaphambi kokuthi uyobuka ama-question ukuthi athini. So ku-carbon number 2 we have Cl. We have Cl carbon number 2. Enye into ebesiyidinga la ukuze yenzeke le reaction sidinga i-catalyst okuyi-heat. Okay, ukhumbuleke ngesikhathi kuphuma u-hydrogen laphaya o-Cl bebebabili, shuthi omunye u-hydrogen ophume laphaya uhlangane nomunye u-Cl kwasikhiphela ubani? U-HCl. Shuthi HCl is an inorganic product formed la. Okay, manje nakufuna ukuyibhala igama leya ukuthi laphaya sino-Cl laphaya, sino-Cl, okay, la sino-hydrogen kodwa lapha sino-Cl laphaya. Okay, so la ku-reaction 2 ulawulwa inakhuzana yilento abayi-edile reaction condition laba ede concentrated base oku-KOH bekungaba u-NaOH, bekungaba u-LiOH, a strong base, any strong base nje. So if si-concentrated ngaso sonke isikhathi bokwazi if they are adding a concentrated base kuzoba i-elimination, shuthi sizo-eliminate ini? Sizo-eliminate i-functional group. Kufanele kuphume u-Cl. Umbuzo uthi u-Cl akezukuphuma yedwa uma ephuma laphaya, uzophuma no-hydrogen. Uzophuma namuphi u-hydrogen phakathi kwalo ongapha nalo ongapha? Uzophuma nalo hydrogen lo. So umthetho uthi asithathe la okuhlushekwe khona kakhulu. So mawubala u-carbon number 1 sino-hydrogen abathathu. If u-hydrogen bekuyimali, shuthi u-carbon number 1 bezobe nemali eningi. La u-carbon number 3 no-hydrogen abangaki? Abawu-2, shuthi bezobe nemali encane. So umthetho uthi asithathe lapho okuhlushekwe khona kakhulu. Kusho ukuthi i-double bond izofomeka between labo carbon labo bobabili. Double bond. So sizokhipha carbon number 2 na carbon number 3. U-hydrogen sizomlanda laphaya la kuno-hydrogen khona abancane. Okay, so kuzokwenzeka into enje 1, 2, 3, 4 laphaya soba nani? Ne-double bond. Soba ne-double bond. But laphana-ke kuphume u-Cl kwaphuma hydrogen. So amanye ama-products la ama-inorganic products azophuma u-Cl uzozohlangana no-K basifomele i-salt. kwaba KCl plus u-hydrogen uzophuma azohlangana no-OH basifomele uwater, H2O. Okay, size ngapha. Uma kuthiwe dilute kwi-structure esifanayo, sizo-remove okay, sikhona into esizoyenza lapha kwi-structure esifanayo. Kwi-structure esifanayo, khona into esizoyenza. Laphana sino-carbon. Okay. So, uma kuthiwa dilute base, yazi ukuthi uya-substitute. Uma kuthiwa concentrated base, yazi ukuthi uya-eliminate. U-eliminate i-functional group. Functional group uba kulesi structure Cl. Uma kuthiwa dilute, uya-substitute. Substitute ini? I-functional group, ufaka enye i-functional group. Kule base ubani oyi-functional group? U-OH, hydroxyl group. So la kuhleli khona u-Cl, uzokhipha u-Cl ufake u-OH. So kuzoba i-structure esinje. La bekuhleli khona u-Cl kuzongena u-OH. Kuzongena u-OH. So ama-inorganic product, khona inorganic product esinayo, yes, kuphume lapha u-Cl uzohlangana nobani? No-K, kuzoba ubani? KCl. Enye inorganic product la esinayo. Okay, so sesiqedile uku-analyze. Uma usu-analyzile, suke sekumnandi. Sunawo wonke ama-answers owafunayo. Okay, ngasho la, ushumane, la, ushumane, la, ushumane. Okay. Sebeyasho write down the reaction condition for reaction 1. Sishilo sathi heat is 2-chloro butane primary, secondary or tertiary haloalkane. Explain your answer. It is a secondary haloalkane. Ubona ngani ukuthi secondary haloalkane? I-functional group is bonded to 2 carbon atoms. Kanjani? Esiyibuke-ke le ndaba le. Yokuthi is this a secondary or a primary? So siqale kwi-primary. Si-understand i-primary haloalkane ukuthi kanjani. Mawucheka la, let's check i-functional group nansi. Functional group, le ngikekelezela ngokubomvu, iyona functional group. Ibonde carbon obangaki? Ibonde carbon eyi-1. So ngasho ukuthi the functional group is bonded to 1 carbon atom. So this is a primary haloalkane. Ake sikhulumise i-secondary haloalkane, siyibona ngani? Secondary haloalkane siyibona ngani? Sengigcine izinto zami la. 1, 2, 3. La kukhona Cl, la kukhona hydrogen, hydrogen. Okay. So ake sibukeke la i-functional group. Nansiya. Functional group is bonded to 2 carbon atoms. Baphi? 1, 2. Functional group is bonded to 2 carbon atoms. So this is a secondary haloalkane. Okay, singabe sadweba esinye. Mas-eda u-CH3 laphaya. Mas-eda u-CH3. CH3. So la, functional group is bonded to 3 carbon atoms manje. So this is a tertiary alkene. Kuyafana ne-alcohol. Lana nje sikhipha u-Cl sifake u-OH sekuzoba i-tertiary alcohol. La i-primary alcohol sinayo nane-secondary alcohol. Isizathu yiso leso ukuthi the functional group is bonded to tertiary 3 carbon atoms or 2 carbon atoms or 1 carbon atom if it is a primary. Now, draw a balance equation using structural formula for reaction 3. Kulula, reaction 3 nakho sesikwenzile. Just that usungakubhala formal. Ngala ngalesi structure, ngala nganazi structure. Nasi. Number 1, lesi, ithi arrow, ikhiphele lesi structure plus KCl. So that is your reaction. Uzoba ne-arrow, qala ngalesi structure uba ne-arrow, khiphele lesi plus KCl. Uzobhala format. Now, write down a balance, okay? For reaction 2, that's generally just no reaction 2. In the flow diagram above is an elimination reaction during which the organic compound Q and 2 inorganic compounds are formed. Write down the type of elimination. Si-eliminator ini ephumile kulesi structure lesi. Uyayibuza lokho before uzophendula kuphumeni. Mina ngazi ukuthi khona u-Cl khona u-hydrogen obela kuphume u-Cl no-hydrogen bebela khona u-Cl no-hydrogen bebela, so kuphume i-halogen no-hydrogen kuzoba dihydro, answer kuzoba dihydrohalogenation yinto ephumile. Bese siza laphaya, the IUPAC name of compound Q. Compound Q, nangu compound Q. IUPAC name yakhe no-but to in butene. Nawufihla leya two leya fanele ufunde into yakho u-butene. Okay. The formula of each inorganic product formed during reaction 2. So ama-formula fanele kunake kahle-ke la. Kwesinye isikhathi bazothi the name of each inorganic product formed. Uma befuna igama bhala in words water, potassium chloride, but njengamanje bafuna the formula nangu KCl nobani no H2O yababhala iwona ama-formula lawa abawadingayo-ke. Siyacela nifollowe ipage lethu